Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, we are going to talk about guys sound and vibration setting in our Samsung phone device. In this video guys, I will show you guys how can you off your dial pad tone in your Samsung phone. Guys, what is dial pad tone guys? First of all guys, let me tell you. So as you can see guys, this when you open your dial pad, so as you can see this dial pad tone means it's a guys part of sound and vibration setting. So guys, in this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you off it this dial pad tone. Guys, you don't like guys this dial pad tone in your Samsung phone, guys, you want to off it. So guys, how can you off? In this video guys, I will show you first. So first of all guys, what will you have to do guys? You will have to click on guys your phone setting guys, then guys scroll it, then guys you can see guys your sound and vibration setting. So guys tap here. After that guys you can see guys this type of settings. So guys what will you have to do? So guys you will have to scroll your phone, and guys you can see guys system sound vibration control settings. So guys tap here. So as you can see there are sound and vibration settings. So guys you can see guys this dialing keypad. So guys we will off from here. So guys now you can see guys when you will enter it, then guys this dial pad tone will not work in your Samsung phone. So I hope friends you've understood how to off dial pad tone in our Samsung phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.